What's going on, everybody? Porch light here. Feels so good outside. I had to let my hair breathe, you know what I'm saying? But look, what I want to do is I want to show y'all a real quick way to make the most out of what you got. Because you know how we do on this channel. Let's go. All right, y'all, let me show you something. Okay, so if you look at this pot, what do y'all see, right? Y'all see my scraps. You know I do the buck chow every year. I do the kitchen scraps every year. Well, let me tell y'all how this is important. So what I do is, and I'm gonna keep the camera on this guy right here. It's looking so beautiful. Is I go and literally buy scraps for this very purpose. Now you look at it. It's grown. It's been in here for about a week. I barely even got it in the dirt. It obviously hasn't rooted yet, but it's still growing out of that because it's using basically the dirt and the soil and the water and all that for nutrients. Well, what are these, guys? These are buck chow leaves. At the end of the day, the more this thing grows, the more you can cut off. You get a whole pack. Let's say you get a pack of maybe 12 in one of those bags. You can get it from H Mart, you get it from any grocery store that sells it, and then boom, you cut the bottoms off. Well, that's maybe $3. Put it in the ground, you'll have as many trees as you plant. This is almost 100% effectiveness. So at the end of the day, rather than growing from seed, cut your buck chow off. This works with things like celery. This works with things like, what do you call it? Any brassica for the most part. Cut the bottoms off, put it in there, and pretty much plug and play, y'all. So I know you're tired of looking at my buck chow plant, but I'll be back with some more. Porch light out.